So we are going to give value here. X is equal to 1. Let's see whether we have to find out when x is equal to 1, the left hand side LHS is equal to RHS or no. We have to find out. So I am going to put this value x is equal to 1. I am going to substitute here. So we get 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2. Okay. So I get 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Here also 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So it is true. Right? Yes. For value x when we give the value 1, this is true. Yes or no? You understand? Okay. Now shall we put another value for x? I am going to put another value for x. Let x is equal to 2. Okay, let x is equal to 2. So I am going to substitute here. 2 into, instead of x I am going to put this 2. Okay, 2 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2. Okay, so 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is equal to 8. Is it true? Can we say that 7 is equal to 8? Is it true? It is not true. It is not at all true. So it is 4. So it is not equal. 7 is not equal to 8. So we can say 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x plus 2 is true only when x is equal to 1. Can we have any other value for x? No, we cannot have any value for x. Okay, this is something with equation. We can have only one value. This is not identities. Is it clear? So when we have only one value for x, now you remember when we were speaking about Raju's age or Ramu's age and his father's age, we cannot have different age for Raju at a particular time. Maybe this year if he is 10 years old, we cannot say he was 11 years old. No. If this year he is 10 years, it is 10 years only. 10 years of age. We cannot have. I will say we are speaking here. Here we can have x as 1 only. We cannot have any change. When we put a different value, this is not equal. So this is not identities. This is something about equations. Hope it is clear to you. Now, when we say about the identities, let's see one another example. Another example is x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. So now I am putting another one equation. I am putting here x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. So I am going to put it here values for x. Now first let me put the value x is equal to 1. So I am going to put the value here x as 1. Okay. So what will I get? 1 plus. I have to put wherever x is there. Wherever x is there, I have to put that value 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. So I will get 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 1 into 2, 2 plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So you will get 3 is equal to 3. It's true. Okay, now I am going to put another value for x. Let x is equal to 2. So what will I get? I am going to put x is equal to 2. Then what will I get? So here I am going to substitute. Okay. So instead of x I am going to put it 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay. You have to keep in mind wherever there is x I am going to put it 2. So what will I get? 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 2 into 2. These are together. Okay. Here because 2x. So this is together. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we get 5 is equal to 5. Same. Yes or no? These are equal. Equation satisfies. So now you put any other value. Now I am going to put maybe that x is equal to 10. I am not going to put for this equation. Okay, I am considering this equation. When we considered this particular equation, it was equal only when x was 1. When we took the value for x is equal to 1, it was okay. But when I put here any other value, x also is equal, LHS is equal to RHS. Here also it is equal. Now I am going to put x is equal to 10. So how will I put? Now instead of this is the equation, you have to keep in mind x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. So here I am going to put 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 10 plus 1. Okay. So 10 plus 1, 11. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1. Okay. Here 10 plus 11, 21. Here 20 plus 1, 21. So this is 21 is equal to 21. It is true. So for any value for x when we give, this equation satisfies. These are called identities. Hope it is clear to you. We will see in the next class the rest of the problems.